you just picked up your brand new Tesla Model Y Juniper or the Model 3 Highland, and you're wondering what accessories you need to get. Well, this is the first accessory that you need to pick up for your car. It's a center console tray. There's lots of different ones out there, but this one in particular addresses two specific pain points that you need to get fixed in your car. One is you need a tray. You're going to put your glasses in here and, coins and keys and, swipe cards and whatever it is that you need to have. Because if you just throw it in the well, you'll never be able to reach it when you're driving or when you're pulling up to a parking spot. So you need one of these to start with. This one here has a secondary function, which is this USB hub. You can see right there. So there's two USB-Cs and a USB-A, and it's powered by this cigarette lighter plug. So if you're not aware, in the previous versions of these cars, you used to be able to plug into the very front here, and it had two USB-C ports. Well, with this 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper, I think it's pretty well the same for the Highland as well. They took those USB ports out of the front and they've put a single power plug in the front here instead. And in the back compartment, they put a single USB-C. So if you're looking to plug in some type of device into a USB-C, you're going to have to put it in the back part here. So what this does is this allows you to plug this into the cigarette lighter that's in the front compartment and give you quick access to these USB-C plugs. And what you can do is if you want to store the device in the bottom, you can push the USB cable up through this hole right here and then plug into the USB plug. So you don't have to have it up front. That's what I'm trying to say. And then what's really nice is this one has a removable mat. So if you get dirt in it, you can just clean it and then put it back in there, and then there you go. So let's go ahead, let's get this installed. It's a real simple thing. You just slide it in there and then plug this cable in, and then you have access to these plugs here. So let's go and do that. So like I mentioned, down here, there's a single cigarette lighter plug. And if you're trying to reach way down there, so let's pull this back. You can see I have to like bend over to get down to the bottom. All you need to do is take this tray, stick it in the hole, move it forward, and then just plug this into there. And there you go. So you can just slide this forward if you need to get stuff down there. So like I can throw some cloths down there. I've got this phone holder, another holder as well. Like I said, it's fairly deep in there. And then for the top part, you can put your sunglasses here. And then you can just throw some other stuff in here. Got some keys, more keys, cleaning, glass cleaner wipes, another holder, a pen. We even have another cell phone here. And so you can always just slide that forward to get access to stuff. And there you go. Now you do need to unplug that cable down there if you're planning on taking this out. But there you go. And then you just close that up. No one will know any different. And what's nice is if someone were to come into your car right here, they only see this, and unless they know that this is a tray, like I say, it's pretty good. And then and again, here are the USB A and the two C's, and you can push a cable down through there, that hole right there, and put your device down there. So there you go. That's a pretty quick install. Again, you just slide the tray in there and plug it in. This does address 2 pain points. One is trying to get stuff down on the bottom. So giving you USB A and C ports up in the front compartment, which unless you have something there, I would plug this into there and I'd have 2 wires. So you could use something like this, I guess. The tray is just a much cleaner process, and it does give you 3 ports instead of this one having just 2. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on my next video.